Can't figure it out? Get a drink. Mmm. His mouth is not on it. There we go. Hey. They're drinking out of the fountain. Hey, Donnie.
Alright, we're on use restroom.
Brother, can sister have a drink? Let sister get a drink. Say, brother, come on. Let sister have a drink.